Welcome to the theAZcruiser channel. In this video, I'll be changing my brake master cylinder, which you can see right there. I changed my brake booster already and some of my brake lines. I got extended brake lines. I'll link that in the description. You can get it from Wits End if you want to check that out. Brake booster, I'll link that too. Got it from Amazon and did my brake master cylinder. So the reason why I decided to change it was the brake fluid is really dark and I've been neglecting it. There's a little leak on the top. One of the rubber gaskets, I guess it was leaking from the top part, I guess. But I've been off-roading on the Schnebley Hill, right here, Broken Arrow Trail in Sedona. I've been able to go uphill and brake, but the stopping power, it felt like it was a little off. Might be because there was a leak and air was getting into the brake line. So I've been neglecting to change it, but we decided to change it finally, so I'm just going to take you guys along and we're going to change it out. By the way, if you want to purchase it, you can buy it on Amazon. It's a genuine ACEN brake vest cylinder, which you can see right here. Like I said, I'll link that in the description as well if you want to purchase it yourself. And yeah, we're just going to change it and I'll show you how what we did to change it.
JP.
So after you remove the brake master cylinder from the engine bay, make sure you have a shop towel or rag underneath to catch all the fluid leaking from the cylinder because it will strip your paint. So just keep that in mind. Yep.
Alright, pump it again.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Holding it. One down. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. It definitely helps if you got 2 people on this project. So again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.